Hi, my name is Keith, and I want to make a video on how to add negative and positive numbers. So let's say I have -3 plus 7. Well, the way I look at this is that 7, when you look at positive, think about a positive situation in your life. A positive situation that increases positivity, like making you more happy. So like a positive thing would be like you got $7. So it's a positive $7. But then something happens. It's a negative situation that takes away 3 of your positive situation. So negative is always a subtraction, except you got to read things backwards. So like to make sense of this problem, you say, I have 7 positives and 3 negatives. 7 positives of what? Let's say 7 positives of compliments. I believe everyone should get compliments. It's not good to ever say bad things. I think we should always focus on the positive things. Like say, oh, you have nice shoes. Oh, you have a nice shirt. You have a nice hat. You have a nice umbrella. You have a nice smile. Just focusing on positive things. Negative things are the things I don't believe in. Three negative things that I wouldn't want to say. And so let's say you have a happiness level of 7. Like from 1 to 10, you're a 7 in terms of happiness. But then someone says 3 not nice things to you. And then all of a sudden it's 7 happy moments, take away 3 happy moments. And now your happiness is a positive 4. Because see, like, you could have, 7 good things, which is a plus in your life. And then the 3 negative things, see, I'm reading it from right to left instead of, -3 plus 7 to make this math problem make sense. I'm reading it from right to left. 7 positives, 3 negatives, 7 positives, like 7 compliments. And you're like a positive 7 in happiness. But then if someone says 3 negative things, it takes away from your happiness, subtracting 3. So now you're like a positive 4. It's almost like you have 4 compliments that, stick in your head because the 3 kind of counteracts the 7. But I say we should always focus on the positive. So another way we can do this problem, actually, let me just, another way we can do this problem is we can rearrange it. Assuming that the signs are attached to the number, just imagine the sign is glued to the number. Like there's just imagine there's glue there. And the minus can't be separated from the 3 and the plus can't be separated from 7. And you could just kind of cut this away, and move it over here. And then take that -3 because the sign is glued to the number and just move it to the other side. And see, it makes sense that -7 plus 3 is +7 minus 3. So switching the positions, you could see that -3 plus 7 is the same thing as +7 minus 3 is 4. Now, if you want to look at this graphically, you could say there's 7 pluses. This kind of helps, like 7 positive compliments. Everyone loves compliments. And then someone says 3 not nice things. And it just takes away some of your positivity. Every time someone says something negative, it's like it's taking away your positive energy, And then you only got 4 positives because of these 3 negatives that took away those 3 positives. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 positives. We don't always have to put the sign. Plus is an invisible sign. It doesn't have to be visible. And, that plus there, you could just say 7 minus 3. Also, think about money. Negative $3, if you were to think this is $3 with a minus, you don't really have a positive amount of money. You really owe money. So negative is owe. Owing's not good. Negative is having debt. It's like when you owe $3. Plus is a positive. You have $7, but then you don't have $3. So how is it that you have $7, but then you lose $3? Well, that's because maybe you have $7, but you lose $3 because you spend it at the store to buy an item that's worth $3. So you have $7, and then you subtract $3. Well, that's my video on how to subtract negative and positive integers. Actually, I want to just do one more thing. I just want to record one more thing. What if the number's bigger? What if the number's bigger? You have a bigger negative than a positive. It's like you owe $12. And then someone gives you $4. Then wouldn't it make sense, you gained, then wouldn't it make sense that now you only owe, think minus means owe, you only owe $8. So that's my video. I hope it's really helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye now.